My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the new ransomware called Joker, and this ransomware, by the way, is from the Chaos family. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you certain recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files. Anyway, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this Joker ransomware may be very easily injected into this system. Very soon, users realize that they can no longer access their data. This ransomware appends a random 4-symbol extension to the file names, and it is impossible to use the files. The ransomware changes the desktop background and also reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste your money. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose, and you may get it on the website combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the program, and then once it is successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and then after you click on the Start Scan button, the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will first of all update its anti-malware database, so you should not skip that very important step. And then after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner Antivirus begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats which were revealed on the system. Certain threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I would recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. This way, your data will always be under the protection against further ransomware or malware attacks. Also, Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature which actually protects your data ahead of time. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data effectively. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.